What is poppin', y'all? We here. We are currently in Lagos, Portugal. We are today's vlog, the world's most famous cave, the Benagil. Woo! Listen, so it is a 2-hour boat ride. We got the ferries behind me. We're going to leave soon. It's about a 30-minute boat ride to get to Benagil. Once you get to Benagil, it's an hour within going through the caves. It's about 7 or 8 caves. And then from there, 30 minutes back, 2 hours. So, all right, we're about to get on the boat. So I do apologize for the wind behind me. So we're doing a speed boat tour. We cannot get off the boat. If you do want to do a tour, you can get off the boat. You got to take one from Benagil. We're here about to get on the boats. You got to put your, so they told us to make sure you have your jackets because it can get cold, and then you're going to have your life jacket. Yeah, then Lola, you want to get in the video? Come on down. Y'all see who I got with me? My famous Lola here with me. Got the fam in here, you know what I'm saying? So to purchase your tickets, you can purchase them at the docks. Again, I'm in Lagos, so I purchased them at the docks by the bay. If you're in another area in the Algarve, you can purchase them at the docks. And then yeah, so let's have a vibe out. We're gonna see the most beautiful caves in the world. You rocking with the LaBa Show. Stay tuned because to the end of this video, because you're gonna want to see what we unravel when we get to the caves. All right, let's get it.
We're gonna make a big detour and we're gonna visit Benagil. Benagil is quite far away, guys. It's on the other side of the bay. We have to cross the bay to get there. That's why this speedboat, to get there in a reasonable time. A reasonable time is gonna be half an hour, okay? We're gonna need half an hour to get there. We'll be there for around 50 minutes and then another half an hour to come back. Now during the transit, on the way out, on the way back, we'll be speeding, which means caps that will fly. That works. Turning backwards. Sometimes lady ponytail sings. Sometimes. On our day. That's it. I'm not a modern man.
All right, y'all, we are on the way. I should probably not hold it outside right there. You guys ready? Hey. Oh, snap. Benagil.
That's Benagil?
Yeah.
How do you get there? How do I get there? Oh, there's one cave.
Yo, this is fire. Like this is wild. I cannot believe we're here.
Yeah,
What is poppin', y'all? We have now arrived at the Benagil caves. We're with the boats. Wave, everybody. Hey. So we're now here, and we cannot get off the speedboat, but this is crazy. So look at this. Look at this. What is poppin', y'all? So unfortunately, we can't get off the boat because we're on a speedboat tour to go into the cave. So make sure if you're interested in getting into the caves, chilling on the beach, take a tour of that. You can't do that. Oh wow. Take a video, take a video. Oh my. Wow. Yo, this is crazy.
Hello. Can I take a picture for you guys?
Of course. Stop bumping. This is crazy, y'all. So we are here at the Benagil caves. Wow. What up, Lola? I'm with family, man. This is crazy. This is, nah, look at this. Benagil cave. So we're gonna be here for about 50 minutes exploring all the caves. So now we're headed to the next one. Just take a moment to appreciate the sun is hitting right now. You going in this one? Oh.
Yeah. Let's go. The musicals have a crack in the rock to the top. Can you see?
Oh. Hey! I bring the vibes. Oh, this is. Oh. Oh, yep. There we go. Okay. You said you'll see a heart?
A heart?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. Caves, y'all. Yo. Got that on camera. She gotta jump now.
You see that?
Yeah. Oh, she's scared. This is the last stop at the tour. We're at Paradise Cave. It's been crazy beautiful here.